Hey everybody, welcome to Glenn's Catfishing Adventures. I'm not on the water today, hoping to get back on there tomorrow. I am going to install my new Minn Kota trolling motor. I got the Minn Kota Powerdrive, 55-pound thrust. It has the iPilot. I'm glad I waited. I was going to buy something cheaper a while back. Decided to wait a little while to see exactly what I wanted, and I'm glad I did. I think the iPilot's going to work out fine for me. I'm going to install this with a quick release. I don't know if the sun might be blinding you on that. It's a quick release Minn Kota bracket. It's the MKA-21 bracket, if anybody's interested. It fits the Powerdrives, the Tarovas, and the Ulteras. I think it fits just about all of there. But the way it works, you have a puck here that goes on the boat, and then you have a part that goes on the bottom of the trolling motor, which I've already put on. You can lock, once you put that puck in there, put the pin through. Well, that didn't work as well as expected. And they said I may have to remount the hose, and I take it that's what's going to have to happen. Makes a lot of sense with a brand new product that you got to take a drill to it and straighten it out before you can use it. I'll tell you, it kind of aggravates the fool out of me when you buy products that, and it seems like they don't, all they want to do is sell. They don't care about the customer service. I had the same issue with my Lowrance that I bought. They sell you a product, spend a lot of money on something, and they don't even give you the instructions to run the Lowrance. But that's another issue for another day. I'll deal with this one later. I want to get this on here. Alright guys, I got that puck out of the bottom of that thing. I'm gonna have to deal with that a little bit later. I turned it over and it seemed to work a little bit better. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and drill some holes and mount this puck to the floor of the boat, and we'll be ready to mount the trolling motor on there and see how it works. Because I got this little metal piece right here in this carpet, I'm gonna put two little rubber shims that actually came in with the pack. It's kind of shocking that they sell you something, and that actually came with the trolling motor, but sell you something you might, and put something that you might need in the brackets with it. That's amazing the way things are nowadays. But Alright. We'll just tighten those up and I'll get back to you. Show you the final. Alright everybody, I think we got it on there. Still a little snug with the pin here, but it's gonna work. So you got your plate that mounts to your boat here. The other plate mounts to the bottom of your trolling motor. I just slide it up on there. Mounts there. Put our pin in. Get a little tap. I think that'll loosen up some the more I use it. At least it won't vibrate. I got a cotter pin around here, cotter key somewhere around here to put in there, but there it is. For now, you can put a padlock right there, which is what that's made for. And let's go ahead and put our prop on. I apologize if y'all can see this, I don't know. The sun's so bad I can't see the screen. Put the prop on here, just take that nut off. Got 2 washers. Says discard the red one. And that's a shipping washer, just a spacer. Got a shear pin there. Line it up on your prop. Prop on there. Turns the right way, it tightens up better. And there you go. That's one install of a Minn Kota Powerdrive trolling motor with a quick release bracket. Just got to hook it up to the battery and take it out on the water. Give it a try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell so you can see more videos as I post them. I hope to get some more time on the water now that the kids are back in school and temperature's cooling down, hopefully. So, till next time, this is Glenn. Glenn's Catfishing Adventures. Have a great day. Hey, what's up everybody? I just wanted to give a quick update on the trolling motor install that I just showed. I've had it on the boat now for about a month and a half. It's working out really good. I like the trolling motor. It's the Minn Kota Powerdrive with the iPilot. It's helped me a lot, especially in my drifting and dragging game. The quick release bracket, which is what I was really showing, has worked out great. Got the wrinkles wrung out of it. It is going on and off the boat very easily now. Reason I needed that is for when I take the family out. I didn't want the trolling motor in the way. Also, when I cover the boat up, I can't cover it with the trolling motor on there. So it's made life easy trying to get the trolling motor out of the way for those type situations. Just wanted a little update, and thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. Have a good one.